Hello everyone, this is Anisha Sharma, intern at LexClick and Company. I'm also a fourth year student at Modi University. A disclaimer for the video: this video does not solicitate or promote any kind of advertisement for the firm. It is only for educational purpose and in accordance with the rules established by the Bar Council of India. The topic of the current video is that the Advocate General Kishore Datta's consent sought to initiate contempt of court against the West Bengal Bar Council chairman Ashok Kumar Dev. So, the consent to initiate contempt was sought in the light of the written letter by Dev, the Chief Justice of India, N.K. Ramana, making allegations against Acting Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, Mr. Rajesh. A Calcutta resident has written to West Bengal Advocate General Kishore Datta seeking his consent to initiate contempt of court proceeding against the West Bengal Bar Council chairperson Mr. Ashok Kumar Dev. The request was made by Mr. Vijay Kumar Singhal, a permanent resident of the Howrah, in the light of the letter written by Dev to Chief Justice of India, making allegations against the Acting Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court, Mr. Rajesh Bindal. So, as per section 15 of the Contempt of Court Act, the consent of Advocate General is required before the High Court can hear a criminal contempt petition filed by a private individual. Dev, who is also a member of the Legislature Assembly belonging to the ruling All India, All India Trinamool Congress, that is TMC party, had on June 25th written to the CJI alleging that Justice Bindal is biased and unfair judge who is partial towards the BJP. In his case, Dev has highlighted alleged biasness and improper listening and hearing of various cases like the Narada scam and the Mamata Banerjee's election petition and a case on the wastage of medicines in the state. He has therefore asked the CJI Ramana to take steps to remove Justice Bindal from Calcutta High Court. The letter was written on the letterhead of the West Bengal Bar Council through 4 members of the Bar Council has later stated that no such issue was ever discussed or approved by the council. Singhal, in his request to the AG Datta, said that the letter by Dev amounts to criminal contempt of court and is scandalized and it scandalizes the High Court and its judges. It also tends to interfere with the administration of justice since the cases highlighted in the letter are still pending before the High Court, Singhal said. He also pointed out that after Dev has sent the letter, 4 other members of the West Bengal Bar Council has penned a letter denouncing Dev's letter and allegation that Dev's letter did not reflect the Bar Council's views since the matter was the matter has even been discussed in the council. Singhal therefore stated that Dev misused his position to bring the redispute to the Calcutta High Court and requested that Datta's consent to initiate contempt of the court action against Dev. Thank you.